अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 20. All kings and queens are removed from a pack of 52 cards. The remaining cards are well shuffled and then a card is randomly drawn from it. Find the probability that the card is first a red face card and second a black card. So all the kings and queens are removed. Now you know that there are 2 red kings and 2 red queens are there in the pack of cards, and 2 black kings and 2 black queens are there. So we have removed all of these. Now the remaining cards will be 8 cards we have removed. So the remaining cards will be 52 minus 8 and that is 44. Now this 44 is your total possible outcomes, not 52, because 8 cards we have already removed. So 44 is the total possible outcomes. So first they're asking that what is the probability of a red face card. So how many red face cards are remaining now? So total 6 red face cards are there, right? 2 king, 2 queen and 2 joker. So 4 we have already removed. So only 2 are remaining. 2 red jokers are remaining. Those are our favorable outcomes. So the probability of getting a red face card is 2 upon 44, which is 1 upon 22. Now the second question is the black card. So how many black cards are remaining? So black cards remaining are out of 26. Originally there are 26 black cards. Out of that 4 we have removed, 2 black king and 2 black queens. So the remaining are 22. So these are our favorable outcomes. So probability is 22 upon 44, which is 1/2. That's it.